Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video clip, I will show you and tell you how you can find draft posts on Facebook. Friends, please subscribe to the channel. Also be sure to put your likes and write your comments after watching this video. So, let's get started. And please open up the Facebook app on your phone. Next, let's create a draft post with you and then I'll show you how you can find it. So, in order to create, you need to click right here at the top. Now you can create some future post. Let's say I choose a photo. Add some emoji. And now, after you've done basically everything you want to do with the post, click on the cross in the left-hand corner. And now before you exit, make sure you click Save Draft. And now, of course, there's the question of where to find it, what to do. In order to find the draft, you'll need to go all the way over here. And you'll just see that post that you created earlier. And you can publish it if you click Next. But I'll tell you right away, you can't save more than one draft post like this on Facebook. So you'd have to publish the first post first, and then create a second post. Or change this one to the one you want. Friends, this is the way to find your drafts on Facebook. I really hope you found this video helpful and that it was useful to you. Please give likes, also write comments, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. Take care.